Welcome you guys in this man's vlog. Everything started in Chicago today. The night view in Chicago city is pure magic, lights, energy, vibe that makes you feel unstoppable. But tonight something else had my attention. Yeah, Brio Beardscape V2 was waiting for me. I have been searching for the perfect tool to trim my beard short, but nothing quite worked. So maybe this one will work. Let's find out. We have something. We have a package here. It was a busy week. Do you know that I literally bought this racket like I don't know, a year ago I think, or 2 years ago. I never use it. I wanna play tennis again, but it's like not many people in USA playing tennis. That's sad. Well, I hope so someday. Oh. Hello, how's it going, guys? I received something interesting today. Let's open this. Opening the box is always so pleasurable. And seeing the product, like the first time. Ooh, so here it is. The brand that is not necessarily recognized everywhere, at least, but it's definitely recognized by those the best who are looking for some kind of solutions. This is definitely the way to go. Very powerful, very interesting choice. Let's dive into this. I'm gonna give you a little bit like a rough review right now. I'm gonna have to test it and I'm gonna come back with some info. I wanna start shaving a little bit closer. I have a big problem here to control like a size of my hair. Technically they have like a, you know, very good, as you see here, adjustable head with nice thickness. Very actually a good idea with 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, but it just doesn't work. That's why this can be a solution. So shortly, what do we have? The company called Brio, and the model is V2 Beardscape. So very nice box. I do like, as I said many times, I do like designs of product. The text is nice and clear, separated. If you are designer, you know what I'm saying. White spaces everywhere. Here at the front picture itself of the product, fantastic, I love it. Beardscape V2 ceramic blades. I can tell you right away here with the one blade, those blades really do not last long. This element here, they say this can last up to 3 months, but to be honest, it can last for me, just for a beard, for around a month, and I would say after 6-7 time they are start losing the sharpness and they just start pulling hair. So it's nothing spectacular here. I'm shaving like 3-4 times per week, so really 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks, and it's starting like losing some control. Although previously I was using like regular shavers, Philips one. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Like this, regular shavers and trimmer. Here we have a trimmer, 2 sides. Actually, it's fantastic idea. I do like it. This can last 2-3 years without any issues. I was like shaving beard with this all the time. It was fantastic, but I want to start just shaving it much shorter. This trimmer from Brio may be gonna solve the issues. I'm gonna give you some info from the box itself. We have ceramic blade over here, so this gonna be sharp all the time, and this is gonna last, well, this lasting like 2-3 years easily. So if this is gonna last 2-3 years, I'm gonna be satisfied, but this is gonna be sharp all the time because of the ceramic blade. This is at least what they are saying, not like they are saying, but overall people reviewing this, they're saying that ceramic blades just last longer and they are sharper. Well, we're gonna test it. Battery life, 4 hours on one charge. Usually I'm shaving beard in like 5, 6, 7 minutes, I'm done. So 4 hours, I don't know, it's probably gonna work for like 3-4 months for me easily on one single charge. If I want to even trim it deeper, they have something that is called zero blade, and this is gonna be like, should be at least super smooth and close to the skin. So we're gonna test it, but let's open it because I talk too much. Settings, extra quiet, quick charge, 3 hours, and yeah, it's ready to go. Let's open this, let's dive into this. Whoa. So this is the first time I'm opening it with you. We have a very nice shape here, like a triangles with diamonds. We have a power button. Ooh, so lovely. Can you see these orange colors? Fantastic. Wow, it's so soft and nice. Okay, here we have this adjustment. You can move the head. See this? We are moving this head. That's why you're never gonna miss the hair. First move and you're gonna shape all your hair. This is the solution for short trimming. The blade from the bottom gonna pull the hair up and we're gonna shave it using the ceramic blade. Fantastic. And here we have this adjustment from 1 millimeter here to 1.9. Here we have a power button. Hold power 5 seconds to unlock. Holding 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a very nice skin. This is detail I like a lot. So we have RPMs. We have a, oh, it's showing you actually how deep you are cutting right now. So it's 1.9. I like that this is lighting all the time. It's giving you nice vibe. 5000 speed that we can adjust from 5 to 7000, and it's showing you how much battery left. So we also have this stand that you can put this Brio on. We have our cables. They don't give cables anymore to, at least here in the United States, to one blade. They're giving you like just one cable but without the charger. Here we have, I hope we're gonna have charger. Yeah, we have a full set. So we have a cable and we have a charger itself. Good. And here we have some extra extensions, but this is something I'm not going to use at all. Definitely the one thing I would like to say, really I appreciate have everything in one. I think in this case it's much more flexible, but what this doesn't have and this one has is that we have this option, as I said, right, to trim very shortly the beard and hair, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. So this is nothing I'm gonna use, I can tell you right now. Right away I'm gonna just use the trimmer itself how it is, and I'm gonna use extra blade if I want to shave it very closely. I'm gonna show you also this zero blade. This way, how I should open it. Okay guys, let's do some testing. One blade looks very fancy. It has like this adjustment head, but the thing is that hair is getting through this like space very easily, and it's not like shaving completely your hair on the face. So this is the problem. Norelco is doing much better job, but it's like it's keeping my hair too long. And this side actually make a little bit problem when I'm shaving my body, because this should be actually fixed, this shouldn't move. Yeah, and this pulls my hair very strongly sometimes when I'm shaving my chest. As you see right now, I'm testing this on the face. It's not like you see a result. It cut a little bit, maybe like a 0.2 mil, and that's basically it. It was too long. Now we have a one blade, but one blade, as I said, it's leaving like a small hair around the whole face, and it's just not looking good. So now we have a Brio with zero blade on. As you see right away after first pass, it's taking like all hair from my face, no issue here. Sometimes I have to do it a second time, but overall, as you see, compared to one blade, it's much easier, much faster, and because it has 0.2 millimeter, this zero blade is actually 0.2 millimeter a length of cutting. It is doing phenomenal job, and it's a little bit shorter than one blade with the head extension. Is much more precise, as you see. So very easy, very fast. Definitely is the solution I was looking for. And of course I still gonna use one blade because they are good trimming machine, but it's not definitely a shaver. So you know, just creating a form of the beard for one blade will be definitely the great option, because it's shaving without the head much shorter than Brio and is kind of closer to like a regular Mach 3 blade. Yeah, that's it. As our overall shaver is perfect. So yeah, this is my go-to from now. Really like the final look of it. So another live example that is nothing like a solution for everything, but in this case Brio did fantastic job trimming my beard very closely using this zero blade, and overall the whole trimmer itself is really like premium looking. Fantastic vibe using this. It's fantastic vibe when you are looking at this. Every time you approach to Brio and touch it, it just starts lighting. It's showing you the screen. Overall like a rubber feeling, and trimming is just really cool. So I can highly recommend you this product, guys. So like and subscribe, link down below if you wanna support me. I recommend you also to use Conrado discount code. They give me 10%, so it's super nice. Thank you Brio, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.